Hey guys, it's Mr. Mysterious. Today I'm not doing a scary story. I'm actually showing my drone. When I first got this, I thought that this was like a drone that you can do stuff. But I later learned that if you turn it on in the dark, it lights up. As you can see, it turns on. So you have to go like that. That's smooth, but sometimes that happens. That was part of the intro. So the thing about this, what's really cool, it reminds me of a helicopter. So that. And the circle ball, it reminds me of a party, like it's partying and just flying around and stuff. But the thing that's dangerous is when it goes like that, you can sometimes get caught in it. And these little things are extras. Sometimes you clipped one, like this is the most easiest. Couldn't clip others. It could crash somewhere, and well, that's all I gotta say. There's little tiny screws. When I looked at this, I thought this was kind of like a robot, but a drone is kind of a robot. So, goodbye, like and subscribe. Hit the little mini tiny genie bell. And like and subscribe. Did I say something? Smash it if you break your computer or your iPad. I think that's my fault for doing that. Okay, done.